In this tutorial, I'll show you how to short with a CFD account in the app. By the end, you'll have opened a short CFD position on a stock, forex pair, or commodity, with your order reviewed and placed correctly. First, open the app and switch to your CFD account. On the main screen, go to your account selector or profile area, then choose the CFD account option. If you already have one, make sure it's active. If not, follow the on-screen prompt to open it inside the app. Wait until you see confirmation that you're viewing the CFD account before moving on. Next, find the asset you want to short. Use the search bar at the top, type the name or ticker of the stock, the symbol of the forex pair, or the commodity you want to trade, and then select it from the results. This takes you to the Assets page where you can see Price, Chart, Devos and Trading buttons. Now select Sell. On the trade ticket, you'll typically see two choices, Buy and Sell. Choose Sell to open a short position. This tells the platform you're aiming to profit if the price falls. Make sure you're on the sell side before entering any numbers. From here, configure your order. Click into the quantity field and enter the number of units you want to sell. Check that the units match what the app uses for this market, whether that's shares, contracts, or another unit type, and adjust as needed. Below that, set your optional risk controls. Add a stop loss to automatically close the trade if it moves against you. You can set this as a price level or a distance depending on the app's layout. Then add a take profit to lock in gains at a target price if the market moves in your favor. If you're unsure of exact levels, choose values that reflect your plan and the asset's recent price range. You can always see the estimated impact on potential loss and profit before placing the order. Take a moment to review these fields carefully so your position size and protection match your intent. Once that's done, execute the order. Look over the order summary on the ticket. Confirm you're selling, confirm the correct asset is selected, verify the number of units, and double-check your stop loss and take profit if you set them. When everything looks right, tap Place Order or Sell to submit. Wait for the confirmation message or filled status. The app will show that your short position is now open. At this point, you can open your Portfolio or Positions tab to see the active short. You'll see the entry price, current price, unrealized profit or loss, and your stop loss and take profit markers if those were added. If you need to make a quick adjustment, use the Edit option on the position to modify your stop loss or take profit. If you prefer to close the position manually later, return to this screen and use the Close command when you're ready. To recap the full process on screen, you switched to or opened a CFD account within the app, searched and selected the exact stock, forex pair or commodity, chose Sell to Short, entered your units, set optional stop loss and take profit, and then reviewed and placed the order. Following these steps ensures your short CFD trade is set up precisely the way you expect. That's it. Your short CFD position is now open and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.